Everyone, this is not an ordinary video, and this is not just another moment of motivation. This video is here to show you a mirror. And the truth is sometimes uncomfortable, but it is the truth that changes lives. As you listen to this, don't think about anyone else. Think only about yourself, about your life. Ask yourself this question honestly. Are you truly happy with the life you're living right now? Are you proud of how you wake up each morning? How your day passes? The people you are surrounded by? And most importantly, what you think about yourself? Or have you been stuck in the same cycle for a long time? The same tiredness, the same pressure, the same worries, the same laziness, the same promises you make to yourself and then break again and again. The truth is, most people are not really living. They are just passing time. They wake up carrying yesterday's exhaustion, take on today's burden, and waste today worrying about tomorrow. They smile on the outside, but feel empty on the inside. They say, everything is fine, but deep down, nothing really is. They want to change, but they are afraid. They want to move forward, but habits pull them back. Years pass, months change, but the person remains the same. Let me be very clear with you. This is not how life has to be. You do not have to spend your entire life in the same place, with the same mindset, feeling the same way. You can reset. You can begin again, no matter your age, no matter your past mistakes, no matter how many times you have failed, no matter how late you think it is. It only becomes too late when a person gives up. And as long as you are breathing, a reset is possible. This video is not here just to talk. It is here to shake you from the inside. Because if you move into the coming days as the same person you are today, the results will be the same as they have always been. The same dreams, the same delays, the same excuses, the same, I'll start tomorrow. That is why the first step matters. And the first step is letting go of the old you. Most people want a new life, but they keep carrying old thinking on their backs. They say, I want to change, but they refuse to let go of old memories. The same people, the same conversations, the same complaints, the same regrets running in their minds for years. They remember their mistakes, but forget their own worth. And then they ask, why isn't my life changing? The truth is this. As long as you stay loyal to your past pain, you cannot begin your future. It is like trying to write a new story on burned pages. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. You open the curtains, but the room is full of smoke. You say, today will be different, but the air is still polluted. This is how most people live. They want to move forward, but they never clear the emotional smoke. The solution is simple. You have to open the window. You have to let the smoke out. Letting go does not mean nothing happened. Letting go means accepting that version of you is over. I am not the person who stayed confused all the time. I am not the person who doubted himself constantly. It is not easy, but it is necessary. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are not worthless. You were just trapped in a cycle and no one taught you how to break it. So today, write a letter to your past. A real letter. An honest one. Write where you broke. Write where you failed. And then forgive yourself. Burn it. Delete it. Let it go. Because until you forgive yourself, you cannot move forward. From today, tell yourself this. That was the old me. Now I'm changing. Now I'm becoming new. Now understand the next truth. Life does not change from the outside. Life changes from the inside. If your mind stays the same, your life stays the same. You have seen this yourself. New beginnings, new promises. But after some time, the same old feeling returns. That happens because we change our environment, but we do not change our mind. The mind works like a system. The thoughts you repeat become beliefs. If you have told yourself for years that you cannot do it, your brain accepted it as truth. But just like old pathways were built, new pathways can be built too. When a negative thought appears, pause and ask yourself, is this a fact or just an old habit? Then choose a new sentence. I am learning. I am improving. I am taking responsibility. Even if it feels strange at first, repeat it. Because the mind does not respond to truth. It responds to repetition. This is a process. Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel heavy. Reset does not mean you will never fall again. Reset means you now know how to get back up. Now let's come to the most important question. What do you do every day? Because your life is built from your daily actions, not your intentions. New thinking cannot survive without new habits. You do not need to change your entire life in one day. You just need to change your day a little. How you wake up in the morning. How you go to sleep at night. These small things build a big life. Ask yourself every day, what did I do today for my future? Not something huge, just one right step. Because consistency is more powerful than perfection. And remember this, real change happens in silence. Talk less. Do more. Do not convince people with words. Show them through your habits. Difficult days will come. Days when you don't feel like continuing. These are not failures. They are tests. The difference is simple. The old you fell and stayed down. The new you falls and stands back up. And finally, understand this. Your life is no longer anyone else's responsibility. It is yours. And that is not scary. That is freedom. Because when the responsibility is yours, the power is also yours. You can change. You can improve. You can build a new life. But only if you decide today, not tomorrow, not someday. Today, this is your moment. This is your reset. And one day, you will look back and say, I did not give up that day. And that single decision changed my life. This is the reset. This is the beginning of a new life.